Alright, this is my how to do project, and this is how you change an oil in a vehicle. First, you have to set the rack and make sure all 4 lift bars are going to be in contact of the frame. And my dad will take it up here. Frame right there. Alright.
Hit the frame.
And now he hit the frame.
Everything's safe?
Yep.
Get on this side.
Alright, so now we're going to take it all the way up. Make sure don't hit the ceiling.
Now we're going to set it down on the safety latches.
Yep. So let it.
Okay, it's set on the safety latches.
You have to let it go down, and then it will set these latches right here, and it'll lock these gears in place right here, so the rack won't move. And now we're going to be looking up here on the oil pan. This is the oil pan, and we're going to be taking this nut off to drain the oil. And we'll take the oil filter off after we take this off.
And the oil drain pan.
Alright, so and then we have the oil drain pan to drain the oil in.
Grab the wrench over there. Watch out, because that'll probably squirt out some too.
And on this side. And
Straining into the pan. The next, you will remove the oil filter, which is
after
there.
you let all the oil drain out.
Yeah, you can, or you can undo the filter at the same time.
Alright.
The oil filter wrench.
Now
Put the wrench on and unscrew the filter. Get it loose, and then you can do it by hand. And get oil over your hands.
yes.
Should have a rag. Put it in the bucket. Get a rag and wipe your hands.
I just can't be scared of oil when you do this.
Wipe the oil up off the floor. That way you don't slip and fall on it. Okay, now we'll grab the other oil filter.
Alright, you have to put some grease on the oil filter, so
It's a light coat around the seal, so it will come off easily the next time.
that.
That's good.
All the oil out.
Go ahead and screw it up on there. Make sure that the oil ring come off with the filter, and it did. Go ahead and grab that drain plug and we'll put the drain plug back in it. It's still draining, but it could drain like that for a day.
Smash it. On them.
Tightening the plug where it's tight. Recheck that oil filter, make sure it's hand tight.